Omo Yoruba lèmi o in Kaybobo voice, guys. Engage, like, share, comment. Okay, so when the Jesus cooking, definitely to be brought to your doorstep. Don't leave it there. Always tuning us and stay tuned. Is ringing. If I is this tease for me, hey, like you know that Kaybobo, not even Kaybobo, because I like calling him Kaybobo. But guys, he's giving cutie in his underscore. Tell me what this is all about, or really all those stunts you saw. Yeah, is for his homecoming and in celebration and added to his birthday. AKT, are you sad? Are you in? Cause the chaotic gonna paint their red is screaming reddish and it's giving cutie. Anyway, stop playing is about to go down. Kaybobo paid the loading in Royal Adi King of Chaotic. Kaybobo, stop playing is about to go down. Kaybobo paid the loading, guys. We can't wait to see, like, you know, the Chaotic are doing very well for their fave. Like, if you want to tell me the housemate that shocked me the most during this season, that I felt like, oh yeah, he doesn't have that much fun, because the way people are talking about him, though I believe in his government, but guys, it was the fans, and it's happening on the 6th of this December. It's gonna be a dirty one. AKT said welcome homecoming. But guys, I want to ask a question. Is it more that all this house not gonna do homecoming? Because hey, maybe everybody get the money, you watch your pocket or cut your coats according to yourself. They get why? Because the homecoming no be easy thinking, because be doing this homecoming. Imagine all of them doing homecoming, even the top 10, and even here those who are not the top 10. Because that of victory, although I felt like that of victory is an agreed arrangement of his own coming. I think being based on his side, I think he's not gonna do that. It's an arrangement from people that, you know, boosts that. Anyway, back to the roots, back to the love. AKT, your son is coming home. This is more than a return, it's a celebration of growth, a tribute to my beginning. Let's make this moment unforgettable, said by Kaybobo had to announce this, guys. Are you guys excited to watch movie? Because we can't even wait for what the fans are gonna do, because they keep surprising people, though. You never know. And by birthday loading, who got them? Who knows what will be on deck. But guys, let's find out though. Anyway, Nelly and Onyeka are no longer friends. Nelly has replaced her with Isabella. Isabella is definitely on the right track to meet Mercy. I don't understand. You guys make it. This is Metro Niger spilling gibberish. Anyway, we all know that on Nelly and Onyeka, the way they are moving push show recently, and ranging from the gist about your 8 people assumption, and you know it will be given, yeah, they are no longer friends. And courtesy of seeing Nelly and Isabella, of course, on actress Mercy Abe, yes, mom's burial, and you guys assume that, oh really, all is cool. How many of their pics have you seen on the TV, you guys? Because you see the two of them together, extended pleasantries, you assumed already that they are friends. And on the way to meeting Mercy, the Jesus or the God of them all, like the way you guys, you know, make this look. Hey, anyway, now wow, for this 41 of who like this Trisha. Now that Mercy AK was them mind her business, no go buy you. Oh really? Who the heck is Mercy? Owner to read these people, to be honest. Like, Isabella doesn't need to meet anyone. She's not excited about ex-housemate. I don't understand. The Isabellas are hitting it hard here. Because guys, reading all this comment look childish to me. Because the way people descend at times make me feel like kind of way. I was like, are these people in this wild world? Because fanbase make you guys look like Mumu. Hey, and Mercy AK will do what for Isabella, Ibu, and Ofia. Don't use Isabella for your useless clout. They casually meet in an occasion. Stop being stupid. Isabella doesn't need to meet anybody. Like this person, this, guess what? This Metro Niger is, you know, just clouting. It's looking for clout, and you guys are engaging. Hey, my girl, city. Isabella are out there catching, in fact, eating him up. But anyway, the case has died up. But the way you guys look up to these people, baffles me. Oh, he baffles me. I'm not gonna lie, cause like say Miss Aiken, God, I don't understand. Even the ex-housemate, the way you guys look at them. Anyway, you know your reason. Let me not dwell on that. Hey, Bright Morgan announced Beckmont 24th December. Oh, Jesus speaking. Okay, oh yeah, birth month 24 December, the birth month, so no wonder I have soft spot for you. Happy new month here. Yeah, is the birth month for me. I call it more especially everybody is special, but more especially the people celebrating their birthday on this month. I call them special because that's the day the Lord Jesus Christ is born. Yeah, 23rd of December. Oh, what? Anyway, guys, I'm happy for Brad Morgan doing the do like he's aesthetically pleasing, looking gorgeous as ever, like he's so stunning. We are the handsome chick. You pour the throw water, guys. Feel him. Wanna they see him. Anyway, guys, let me not be funny right away because I'm not a funny person, and I even hate comic. That is more reason why I don't choke my fans here, because maybe I'm very not that, open to makes people laugh like that. Pardon my manners though. I'll try. Okay. Anyway, Sultana said, wishing you the best December ever. Happy new month, my Sultana. My Sultans, guys. See body. She's giving bang. God damn, guys, catch. Kaybobo. Anyway, see body the bang. You did throw away. Like, what do you want to do, Sultana? Oh. Anyway, baby girl keep killing us with our engagement plenty, guys. I just chose this few because tell me, happy new month, my love. I missed you. Look at that Christmas is already looking. Oh shit. Oh, the body don't be small, body is banging. You can tell that. Oh yeah, this one they kill. This one won't finish. Sultana too hot to smoke. Sultana serving straight fire. Too hot, need a fire extinguisher. I'm telling you. There's no fire extinguisher, guys. This one too hurt, I beg. Happy beautiful December, my queen, guys. No be small. Happy beautiful December, my queen. Cause tell me why it is not. Good damn, guys. Wishing you the best. Alright, this was to see my wife now. Happy new month, guys. Sultana is so attractive. Let's leave that for the other day, cause when I go call her my wife, everybody wanna be in her lane. Alright, Nana Aqua said, I love how Sultana is building her own brand. In years to come, she will still be noticed, stitch up money and still be known. She doesn't depend on brand. She doesn't depend or defend on brand. She is a big name that will never pass years to come and respect her a lot, and anything they touch is oh wow. Anyway, everybody has a positive side for their favor, and I really like it for them. In as much as they're not doing what expected of them, but they will look in other way to craft art, clout, and dwell on that positivity. That is the cocoa, that is the goal. Okay, though Sultana got the clout, but the way I'm seeing, I wasn't thinking she's gonna be most branded housemaid this season, but things have its own way turn, and that other turn has been favoring her. And guess what? That turn that she migrated into has been doing wonders, and the fans have been engaging. And tell me why that will not be youthful. It's youthful and it needs to be talked about. That is how life is. Wherever your faith pushed or whatever life pushed or give you, if life give you lemonade, if life give you lemon, make lemonade out of it. That's it. That's it. Oh, yes. I really like people who dwell on positivity. Don't look at other people's success. Be happy for them, and make do of your own path. God will definitely answer you in your own lane. That's it. Shikina. Guys is screaming Bed King and Kola and Bed King, guys. Kola and Bed King, the energy, the vibe, a clean, sharp and perfect art is giving 100, but guys, it still is plenty. I've watched this out. Okay, let me not exaggerate this much. Okay, whenever Kanye was backed, okay, sign in for a king, and Kola will be the second person. Like, this is the second time I'm noticing this. Yeah, if you recall vividly, the Go TV and DSTV appearance, okay, that Kanye was covered, and secondly was Kola and Rubo is giving Anyway, these two that are not getting along seems to be having close same deal before you knowing it. Like it's giving night Kakop Kings and Queen and K Classic. Kola just posted and clean art with Bed King. Can they go and engage on? Like, I know it's gonna cause chaos, but if I get sense, well, making all let them happen. Kola and Bed King revelation collabo. They take your career play. Bed King money is always huge, more to come. Not be small, even when 1 year. And it was the brand ambassador. I think they're still on right away, because depending the time frame though. Yeah. It was screaming them. But how wanna contact know that their money they be wanna serve? Is it because it's a bad thing? Anyway, Kola Shahi still found time to catch up after he was told about going to Morocco in that ad. See how he broke everything down that even a 5-year-old can understand. The king of arts and influencing for a reason. Congratulations on Bentley, Kali, Kaybobo, or Pops. You guys, why are you guys making this now like a bit shady? That looks a bit shady. You guys are coming for coin because you guys have this notion of what your faith always said about coin, that he doesn't know how to speak good English, he doesn't know how to make sentence of his word very well. Oh god damn. Must you not? Must you guys drop this? Why having your faith? It's uncalled for. It's quite uncalled for. You guys calling or attracting drugs when you are choked and you will be looking at as the victim, or you're victimized, or blah blah blah. Watch your word before you be caught in the snares of what you never knew about or think about. Anyway guys, it's giving Kola AdWords 100. In fact, you see the way he spilled about it, he was good. I really like the way he spilled. Like, he made it like this wasn't just expansion. No, yeah, that was who he really is. But the other way that he's going, though, maybe he might not have anything on mind, though I might be judging her wrongly. Maybe she doesn't have anything on mind, but that is what it seems anyway. But guys, what are we saying? Do I think I'll hang up this far? Make it up in the comment section. I said please, it's okay. Bye for now.